Then I had to sit and really think about what is going on in my life. I felt the weight of the world for me to do great.
Hey 1428 family, it's Dondre Brown here to help you invest in your family, your finances, and your future. Hopefully things are going well in your day or even in your night, depending on what time you're watching this video. But I wanted to drop a couple investing videos, so let's jump right in. So today for me was another down day in the market overall, and I'll show you some of the reasons why I think that's occurring based on what the news is saying, but also in these times, as you see, I'm down $465 today. After hours up $50. Within the week, down $1,400. Month up $444. 3 months $1,200. And a year $1,000. So as we know, the vaccine is starting to be distributed in the United States, right? So though that is providing some optimism, that optimism is a little slow. There are also many reports that talks about how the vaccine may be impacting people. So again, a lot of gossip and a lot of news, but also the stimulus talks. Because the stimulus talks haven't been on the rise, that's also impacting the market. People aren't as optimistic about being able to have extra funds. But while we think about those things, some people may look at this and see the market down and want to sell their shares, right? So in some of these cases, this may be an opportunity for you to take profit on some of your profits, right? You may be able to take sell a couple shares, things like that. I'll show you how to sell shares soon. But this is also a buying opportunity for you. So again, if there are any plays that you've probably seen in these past videos, or you've seen in the news or other YouTubers talking about, and you're like, man, I wish I could have went in there and bought at that price, maybe this is your time to do that. So you want to go back and look at some of these videos and see if you can get in at the target price like before, or if you can increase the shares that you have in a certain stock. But what I want to do today is talk about one of the stock that I was last weekend. I talked about Veru, right? I went in and said that I was going to put it on my watch list, and then I was also going to buy some shares. So I did that. I took a look at it. I looked at their financials, but then I said I decided to buy some shares. So what I want to do is kind of show you what has happened. And I did this morning because, again, I went in and bought 100 shares of this because they had a lot of potential, and I've seen their growth. So if you look at them over in the day, they were up $3.34, up an extra $1.60. In the week, they're up $7.94. Within the month, they're up $8.52. They're doing phenomenal. 3 months, same thing. They've had a 353% increase, right? That's really good. But again, I wanted to watch and track this before I decided to jump in. So I jumped in at 100 shares, and right now my profit is $212. So for me, that was a really good investment. I got in what I believe is a decent time. So I'm going to continue to watch this stock to see what happens, right? And if I want to take profit, I'll probably take profit on this and then go look at another company that's on my watch list. But again, even though the market is down overall for me, not in all of my shares, right? Not in all of my companies. So again, you want to be able to look at where you are. Don't panic, right? Beginning investors like myself, if this would have been a couple months ago, I probably would have sold some companies, would have panicked. I wouldn't have believed in the investing process. But one of the things you have to understand is it's a part of the process. You have to get used to. You have to get comfortable with it. You have to manage your mindset. You have to be able to increase your momentum, and then make sure that you can increase your money, and you can do that with the stock market. So what I want you to do is I want you to leave in the comment section, how is your portfolio doing? Again, this is a community where we're trying to all be upfront, transparent, and open, right? If there are some companies that are winning in your portfolio, let us know. Let us know the price that you got in at, And then if you want to provide us a different additional information, let us know about that too. But the other thing is, as we're going into 2021, what are some plays that we should be looking for? We already know that there's going to be a change in presidency. There's also going to be more of a focus on the solar energy, clean energy. So some of those companies are going to start to have potential to win, right? One of the things I noticed about the stock market and where we are is that a lot of the biotech stock are starting to be on the rise. You know, in the last, let's say 8 to 6 months, it's been EV stock. Right now, it's a lot of the biotech stock. So again, you want to also take a look at that, right? Whether you're looking at penny stock, whether you're doing some day trades, whether you're trying to do some long term, start to look at some of the biotech stocks, see what they're doing. There's a lot of buzz about cancer treatment companies, so or disease treatment, like all those other things. So take a look at some of those companies and see if you can get in. Or before you get in, I tell people to do their due diligence. Go to Yahoo Finance, go to Tip Ranks. If you are comfortable looking at graphs and entry points and stuff, you can go to TradeView. There's so many ways that you can do your due diligence and analyze some of these companies before you just jump completely in. So hopefully those tips and that information was helpful for you. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and go to my social media. And then if you like this video, of course, I'm going to drop a next one. So I'll see you in that one. Peace.